My name is Tom. I am an audio systems installer. My job can be very frustrating. My company needs me to be fast and efficient. I feel the burden to be quick, to get the job done, and minimize our company labor time. If I don't do it right, our entire organization suffers. My biggest pain is installing all those ceiling loudspeakers. This has been my work life.
Yeah, I need another speaker. You don't text me whenever I'm doing jobs. Anyway, I need another speaker. Okay, alright. Yes, hurry.
30 minutes later.
But I'm a changed man, thanks to AtlasIED and the new revolutionary mounting system. It's super easy and toolless.
This new mounting system makes installations quicker, easier, and safer. Just place your ceiling loudspeaker. When you pull down on the first mounting handle, the dogleg mount will rotate and lock to the ceiling material. Return the handle. It's that simple. The specially designed rubber shoe makes it secure and absorbs vibrations. It works for any type of ceiling tile material, from thin metal to double-thick sheetrock. Repeat for the remaining two handles, and that's it. Our tap selector switch is front-mounted for easy system tuning adjustments, and our standard press-fit grills blend well into contemporary architecture. For a more custom match to your space, we also offer press-fit edgeless grills in round white, square white, round black, and square black.
This revolutionary mount is called Safety First Mounting System. I call it a true lifesaver.
They require no install tools, and you'll have no over-torqued or broken mounts. And no fear of falling loudspeakers. The Strategy 3s are designed with AtlasIED excellence and innovation.
Thank you, AtlasIED. Now I have a lot more me time. Hey, could you grab me another cold one?
Learn more about our revolutionary Strategy 3 loudspeakers and other AtlasIED innovations at AtlasIED.com.